about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you
Hey all, very good morning to one and all. I'm doing good. How you guys are doing? Please let me know in the comment section. It is going to be a travel vlog, guys, and you're gonna enjoy this vlog, I'm sure, guys. So don't miss to watch full vlog. We are going to Boyakonda Gangamma Devi Temple. Very powerful temple, guys, and actually this temple is located on top of the hill. From there, if you see the view, it's awesome, guys, and I'm going to show you all these things. And it is actually get together of our family. Long back we just met due to this pandemic, and now we all felt like talking to each other and meeting and having lunch dinner together. So this is the right place where we felt, and also we can visit this temple and we can even enjoy the atmosphere over there. The temple which we are going to visit is Gangama Devi temple, guys, and which is in Boyakonda, and it is just 20 kilometers from Madanapalli and 150 kilometers from Bangalore. This temple is really very powerful, and it is also called Shakti temple. We almost reached, guys, and I am just enjoying watching this nature. Beautiful, guys. It's everywhere, it's green, and it's really lovely to watch. And this is the place where we need to pay the parking fee over there. And so, yeah, they're gonna collect from here. According to Purana, Sri Boyakonda Gangamma Devi is a sister of Lord Venkateshwara Swami. It's believed that Sri Gangama Devi is known to care and protect her devotees. She readily addresses the problem of her devotees. There is a miraculously huge well at the top of the hill where the geographically underwater resource is scarce. This water resource has been known for centuries as a cure to many diseases. Some Ayurvedic practitioners have even used this water as a medicinal property with great success. According to the local farmers, sprinkling this water before the seeding process will yield a rich crop. Guys, I forgot to tell you, we can even test the fulfillment of our desires by putting the flower on the deity's head. If flower falls from the right, it is positive, which means your desire is going to fulfill. If it falls from the left, it is negative. Maybe you have to postpone the things. We are going to the top of the hill where the temple is located, and look at the sky, guys. It is so clear, and I'm going to show you the viewpoint also. It is so beautiful, guys. Here it is an entry fees for the temple where we have to pay 100 rupees. Here devotees will offer the hen or sheep to the Gangama Devi if their desires are fulfilled. On the way, you guys can see the goats and sheeps where they're gonna offer for Gangamma Devi.
You've lost, but I don't feel I have won. I wanna forget you, but only time will heal. Too late to erase the bad we've done. I wanna forget you.
So we reached, guys. Now we're gonna park our car and I'm gonna show you the view from here. Wow, it's amazing, guys. Directly I am watching, it is beautiful than in the video. Looking at the nature from here, I'm really speechless, guys. Near the temple, there are few shops like this where we can buy all the puja items, where flowers, coconuts, where we're gonna offer for the god. And even hotels are available on top of the hill, guys. We are just buying coconut, few flowers, and this is the entrance of the temple, guys. Come on, let's go.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide.
Before entering, there is a COVID-19 disinfection tunnel, guys, and but presently it is not working because manually they are spraying the sanitizer. And from here the view, it's more beautiful. And we just came here to offer the coconut. In the entrance itself we have to offer the coconuts. So looking at this only, you came to know, guys, how powerful temple and how popular temple it is. So these all the coconuts, it's been offered by the devotees only. Okay, come on, guys, now let's go inside. Guys, I think free darshan is also available, but we are going on 100 rupees ticket per head, and even 200 rupees ticket also available. And also here we have to maintain some distance.
You've lost, but I don't feel I have won. I wanna forget you, but only time will heal. Too late.
Here so many dogs were sleeping, and I was remembering Max only because I left him at home only because I can't bring him so far, and that too it's a one day trip only. So yeah. And these are the saris of Gangamma Devi which the devotees been offered to God. And here even we are offering to the God a sari and few things which we bought according to our customs. And we bought the naivedyams. Here we're gonna light the lamp. This is must in our customs, guys. By offering all this to God, we really have a great satisfaction and some positivity in our mind. Usually, the devotees will offer hen or sheep to the Gangama Devi, no, guys. That will be a sacrifice to the goddess, and the meat will be cooked in the same location and will be consumed by all the members of the family.
This ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and
Now everything is ready, guys. Now let's go for darshan. Here the devotee have decorated the diyas in such a way that with betel leaves and few flowers, it was really looking so beautiful. Wow, it was an amazing darshan, guys. We really enjoyed a lot. This garden tomorrow I'm gonna share with you. Why we have been there, definitely I'm gonna share. So don't miss to watch tomorrow's vlog. Tomorrow it is going to be a continuation vlog, guys. That's all for today's one. Thanks for being with me again. Let's catch up with the continuation vlog tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.